Welcome back to another Atomic Keys video gang. Today we're looking at the Blitz BW-KB1. It's a budget keyboard and reminds me a lot of the Royal Kludge RK61. Here's the user manual and the warranty. Warranty is pretty much useless because we're going to take this thing apart. The braided cable is pretty decent quality, comes with a little velcro thingy to wrap it up, and of course your obligatory keycap puller. It also has Bluetooth for up to 5 devices, which is quite impressive. It has a floating keys design and ABS double shot backlit keycaps with legends printed on the side for the second function layer, so not too bad. On the flip side, it's got 8 rubber feet and has the little flip out feet to adjust the typing angle. Pretty stock standard affair. Alright, let's take this thing apart. The stabilizers were pretty dry, so I think for modding purposes that was great. Meant I didn't have to clean off any lube. The stems were also quite flat, so clipping them was quite easy. It was only a single fang. And for this build I used G-lube for the stabilizer lubing as well as the switches. So if you're looking for a cheaper alternative to Krytox 205 grade 0, it is perfectly fine. Then it's back to dielectric grease for lubing the stabilizer bars. Drop a little bit there onto the corner. Then we even it out with a light brush. One thing about the stock stabilizers which weren't so great was when they clipped back onto the plate, the clips themselves were actually loose against the plate, so I ended up having to put band-aid strips on the plate itself to stop the noise from there. We then drop in some sound deadening foam on the case to give the keyboard a deeper acoustic. Now you might be wondering why I've got a mix of Gateron yellows, browns and reds on the board. So I actually ran out of the Gateron yellows, so I had to use a mix of browns and reds as well, but they're all lubed, so largely the same typing experience, and I kept the browns on the top row anyway. So right, let's get the keycaps on and onto our sound test. So in summary, a great little keyboard, less than $50 US, so extremely good value, and mods up quite well. And that brings us to the end of the video, so if you enjoyed it, please do like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time, gang.